and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: State government sanctions rupees 114 crores for construction of Umsning Jagi Road. Drive against illicit liquor, illegal sale of Indian-made foreign liquor, beer, wine, etc. National Statistic Day observed in the state. And Meghalaya Community Social Welfare Association conducts a special sensitization workshop on HIV/AIDS. And now the news in detail. The government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 114 crores for the construction of the 80 kilometers Umsning Jagi Road. State Minister for Transport, Mr. Dasakhyat Lamare, who is also the MLA representing Mauhati constituency, informed here today. He also said that construction works will start as soon as the weather conditions improve.
PWD department, yaki teams ki prepare ki ba la shimya ke banta ban pendep ban penyo ya kan ke surok de ke khobor ke bahang ai ya ke mau ti konstruksi ba ngilayo ka lotmen kumbang lajukan na ke por ke ba shispa khat saw krur tangka bat ka lotmen wilayo ke siti tikana ngilayo bat kani ke kam ngatrai menta uktayo lani uni uktayo banwan lada uslap wailat mo de kani ga company ke bade ban tray ke balayo ya kani dan sedang no ya ke kam ban tray ya ka.
As part of the commemoration of the National Statistic Day and in the honor of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, the father of Indian statistics, the District Statistical Office, West Jante Hills District, Joai, conducted a program at Minthong Community Hall, which was participated by R. Sumer, Deputy Director, Directorate of Economics and Statistics, Meghalaya, Shillong, as the chief guest, along with Shri T.K. Sawian, Primary Investigator, West Jante Hills, Joai, Shri C. Buam, District Statistical Officer, East Jante Hills, Clearyat, school students of the area, officials of the department, and others. Just to remind us all, the 29th of June every year is being celebrated as National Statistic Day in honor of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis. He was born on June 29, 1893 in Calcutta and is known as the father of Indian statistics. In an outstanding discovery, he invented a formula to find the distance between a point and a distribution, which is called Mahalanobis distance, based on the measurements in multiple dimensions.
You know it very well. So that amrit is that nectar. So normally during baptism, just like me Christian, during baptism they used to drink that nectar, okay, that amrit, okay, during baptism. So it is kind of considered to be holy. So that is the kind of initiative of the government. So why I'm saying Azadi Kamrit Mahotsav, it has a connection with plants. It has a connection with plants. And if I understand it correctly, when it has some connection with plants and trees, or the ecosystem, if I elaborate it further, something talks about the related to this theme of this day, sustainable development. It's kind of about sustainability.
In its continued drive against illicit liquor, illegal sale of Indian-made foreign liquor, beer, wine, etc., the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Excise, East Khasi Hills District, conducted raids in restaurants, stalls in the town and its outskirts, where during the month of May 2022, the excise staff detected only 19 cases with a seizure of 45.400 litres of illicit distilled liquor and 13.955 litres of IMFL. In this connection, 16 persons have been arrested under the Excise Act. Meghalaya Community Social Welfare Association, MCSWA, conducted a special sensitization workshop on HIV/AIDS for the officials and personnel of the District Prisons and Correctional Services, West Jante Hills District. Present at the program was Shri Yukandia, Superintendent of Police, Batskem Nongbri, DSP of the district, officials and others. Resource persons included Dr. J.N. Chulai, Director of MCSWA, Shrimati R. Suchiang, President Jantia Network for Positive People JNPP, and Shri Malsam, Secretary JNPP, and Shrimati Sunita Suna.
You beginning there? How are you beginning there? Why do they have to stigmatize them? You go to HIV. You never have they thought of the get young kid at the hospital HIV positive. That your song not. You will correct your kid. Hey, me boy, go with the Johnson. You think I think you can do all that come with it. Any young say female sex workers, you told me. No, don't them. Done it. Come last year, no, that happened. Last year, the big, and we are from me, and we are trying at me, and one pack is your family PM me. Read that ini kena di drops mon. That's it. Cut
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.